Hello everybody, this is Alex from Alex Adventure. Today I'm gonna review a very useful accessories for the Insta360 Go3, and this is the quick release mount. It comes with the quick release mount, come with the screw, and then with an extension. So what is this accessory for? Well, for someone like me that has GoPro and has the Insta360 Go3, I had the GoPro for quite a long time. I had the GoPro 10 before, now I have the GoPro 11, and so I have a lot of accessories. And if I wanna, for example, not use the GoPro and wanna use the new Insta360, or even I wanna give away my GoPro, or I want to sell it, I don't want to give away all the accessories I have, because the mount system for the Insta360 Go3 it's different. So now with this little accessory, it goes into the Insta360 Go3. Okay, right, this is. And then I can reuse my GoPro accessories. For example, the small tripod, now I can use it. And now I can use tripod that I had for the GoPro. Or I can remove it and use it, let's say, with something else. I put in the GoPro mount, and then I can attach it to the GoPro accessories. Yeah, I don't have any other examples, but yeah. So this comes also with the extension. So you can basically mount it in the extension, and you can a little bit higher, maybe. It's a bit more higher, it has more, let's say, angle to use. Like here. Well, yes, you will need the second, let's say, turn here, the second screw. But you can do some kind of adjustment, so pretty cool. And this is directly from Insta360. It's the quick release mount. I think this is the must to have accessories for who has GoPro 11, GoPro 10 or GoPro and decided to buy the Insta360. So now you can use the Insta360 with any GoPro mount. And by the way, it even has the attachment for the normal camera here. So with the normal camera accessories, you can even attach it like this. And so you can use other accessories like for the camera. Still have to understand why it doesn't go immediately, but once inside, yeah, that's it. This is my tripod with the battery inside, so this is extra battery, but yeah, now I can use it. And as a price, this cost 5,400 yen on Amazon in Japan. 5,400 yen, probably it's like what? 3 euros, 4 euros, dollars, something like that. So very cheap. So here we have quick release mount from Insta360 for the Insta360 Go3. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like and comment below and help to grow the channel. I will do more preview about equipment I use, like cameras or camping equipment or Jeep or motorbike, whatever. So please follow me. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.